I'm going to get started by making my own pilau spices. So over here, I have a combination of several spices that I've bought from the supermarket. And I have some cardamom pods, bay leaf, black peppercorns, cloves, cumin seeds, and coriander seeds, which I'm going to be toasting in my pan over here. So over medium flame, I'm going to toast my seeds. That is my pilau, my whole pilau spices. So I'm going to transfer to my pan. And using a spatula, I'm going to toast the spices as they cook. To toast the spices, it is going to take around 3 to 4 minutes over medium-low flame. And toasting the whole spices, it's going to make the pilau masala very fragrant and flavorful. After 3 minutes, you'll notice a very nice aroma in the kitchen because of the whole spices toasting. Also, you'll notice some popping sound from the whole spices. That means that the whole spices are well toasted. So what you'll do next is put out the flames, and then you're going to let the whole spices cool a little bit before grinding into a powder. Also be careful because the seeds are popping. They can pop in your eyes. And then I'm going to be grinding my whole spices because they have cooled a little bit. You'll need a grinder to grind your whole spices into a powder. Over here, I have mine, which I've been using to grind my pilau spices. So if you have a high-speed blender, you can use that as well because it has so much power and it will grind the whole spices into a fine powder. So I'm going to spoon my whole spices into the grinder, and then I'm going to grind. Then I'm going to cover and grind my spices. I'm going to start off by pulsing my whole spices. That is to break down the cinnamon sticks, which are a little bit tough. And once the grinder has broken up all the cinnamon sticks, I'm going to blend into a smooth powder. Once I have a smooth powder, I'm going to unlock my grinder and transfer to a bowl, and then I'm going to be grinding the rest of the pilau spices. Cover and grind.